Hey everybody, it's Kurt at Detail Solutions and Ceramic Pro White Marsh. Today, I want to share with you this beautiful Chevrolet dually that's getting our KAVACA matte paint protection film. The finish of this film is unlike anything else you've ever seen. Just take a look at this video and see for yourself. If you're in the Baltimore area and you're interested in paint protection film, window tint, ceramic coatings, general detailing, and paint correction, give us a call at 410-238-3000 and we'll get you scheduled with one of our experts for a free consultation to see which of our packages is the right fit for you. You can also go online to www.baltimoredetail.com and check out almost all of our packages directly online. You can also inquire for a free estimate that way as well. We hope to hear from you soon and can't wait to help you protect and transform your vehicle's appearance.